You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast from SDC International Shipping. Today, we're diving into a growing trend, Americans moving south, not just for a vacation, but for a whole new lifestyle in Mexico. Why Mexico? For many, the answer is simple: lower costs of living, warm weather, and a welcoming community. From retirees to remote workers, Mexico offers affordability, charm, and culture, with plenty of cities to match your lifestyle. There are many expat-friendly locations that offer modern comforts with a relaxing vibe. And thanks to its proximity to the U.S., family visits are just a flight or even a road trip away. Here's how SDC handles the move, so you don't have to. Whether you're relocating your home, your vehicle, or even your pets, SDC International Shipping provides door-to-door services to Mexico. We help with custom packing and crating, full or shared container shipping, car transport with container or roll-on roll-off, and custom clearance and documentation. And of course, guidance on residency and visa prep. For legal residency, here's what you need to know. Americans can stay up to 6 months without a visa, but not working. If you're considering a longer stay, we'll help you navigate temporary, retirement, or permanent visas. Are you thinking of Mexico? You should talk to us. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com, or you can always give us a call. We'd love to chat with you. 877-339-0267 for a free quote.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.